Today we are talking about a lightweight app that you never realized that you needed it the most. This is TextSniper. Hey, Shivam here, and you can try this app from the link in the description below. There are a lot of scenarios where you need this text from a screenshot, from a PDF file, but it is an image instead of a text and you can't easily copy. Or maybe you are watching a YouTube video and there's some text there that you need to copy. So that's where this tool comes helpful. So this is TextSniper and let's check it out. So I have installed the app right now. So to use this, we have to press Command Shift 2 or select Capture Text from the menu bar. So let's click on Got It. So this is the icon right here. We can either click it and capture text. We have to provide some permissions, so let's do that. So enable this and quit and reopen. So now let's see. So this is how you do it. You have to provide another permission. So I think it's working now. Let's try it. Let's open the browser. So let's say I want to select this text. So what I'll do is press Command Shift 2 and make a box around this text. So it's copied to clipboard. Let's see. So if I paste it here, yeah. See how easy and useful it is. It even kept the breaks. As you can see, it has all the breaks just like it was here. It's exactly the same. See? So that's how it works, and it comes quite handy for a lot of people. If you are a student, if you are a video creator, content creator, or you are a researcher, or especially a developer, you will find this app helpful in a lot of situations, believe me. And it even has a lot of features, like this is privacy oriented, so you have this OCR functionality working right inside your device offline. So there are no privacy concerns with that. So you can easily use this app even with sensitive information. Secondly, it makes the workflow quite fast, and you have some PDFs that are scanned PDF instead of text PDF where you can't select the text. It's just a single image. You can use the TextSniper to extract the text. Or like even if you are watching a YouTube video, let's say I'm just watching this one. If you want to just take copy of that, we just have to press Command Shift 2 and we can just do this. Now the text below is quite small and I'm not sure how well it will work, but let's see. And let's delete that. So yeah, it worked quite well. Even the text that is quite small, it is able to perfectly recognize that as well. So you see that in live action, it works extremely well. Now there might be some like 1% of cases where it might do a mistake. So make sure to check out the text that it is recognized correctly. So there are a couple of scenarios where it might not work or do some mistakes. Is that first of all, where the text is too small to recognize, even for the eyes maybe. And secondly, if the font is too stylized to understand. So those are the two scenarios where it might do some mistakes, but otherwise 99% of the time it works quite well. Other than that, you always have the menu bar item here where you can quickly capture the text or use the shortcut that is Command Shift 2, and you can even change it to anything you like. Then you have also import from iPad or iPhone, so that's also there. There's an adaptive clipboard, there's text to speech, and there's settings. Let's check it out. So you have this launch and login, you can just enable this. Then you have disable sound effect, you have disable success notification, you have automatically open links. There's another cool feature in the TextSniper, and that is text to speech. Let's check it out. Essentially what it does, it speaks out the text you captured. To do so, we have to enable this from here, like I have it right now. You can just turn it on like this, and then what you can do is press Command Shift 2 and select this, and you have this text recognized.
Meet lightning fast text recognition on Mac. TextSniper is an app that can extract text from a selected portion of your screen. Forget taking notes. Get TextSniper to capture and save what's important.
So that's how it works. Isn't that great? Also, if you have noticed, it wasn't just a plain text to speech. It has the expression for the words, so it was quite natural to hear. I like using this feature, especially when you are double checking if the text it has recognized is correct or not. So that's there. You can enable it from here. And that's easy peasy. Now the rate of text to speech could be changed from here. Like that was 180 words per minute. You could also just reduce it like so. Now it will read a little slower. So let's try it one more time.
Meet lightning fast text recognition on Mac. TextSniper is an app that can extract text from a selected portion of your screen. Forget taking notes. Get TextSniper to capture and save what's important.
So see, that was much better. So that can be adjusted from the settings right here. Now you also have the settings for the recognition language. Right now it's set to English. You also have all these languages supported, which is great feature. So you can change it from here, and you also have automatically detect language. You could just see this. If we take the screenshot of this, it's going to recognize the French as well.
Athens, Oyure l'industrie du barbier était forte en honorle. Plagieurs de la trompe de Figaro étaient rares et si Solon. Avait négligé ces détails. La pratique avait bien été étudiée. Asana Cooper.
So that was the French, and let's also just paste it in the notes. So that's there. Isn't that great? Now you have support for all these languages. You could just change it from the settings, and see, we had set it to English and it automatically recognized that it was French. Now in the shortcuts menu, you have a lot of options for shortcuts, like you can capture text with Command Shift 2. You could change this to whatever you like. Then you also have capture last selection. Then you have capture without line break. You could set it to anything. Yeah, you could just add more like so. So you can read barcode and QR codes directly from the command 09. So let's try it out. So if I just command shift 0, and I can just scan it like this.
0076,950,450,479.
See, isn't that great? Shortcut is your best friend. Use it to get more work done. Then you have stop speaking as well. The shortcut is right here. I know it's quite annoying if you accidentally just turn on the text to speech option and then you just capture the whole page and it starts speaking the words and you don't know how to stop it. Then you can set a shortcut right here. And there's also toggle adaptive clipboard and clear adaptive clipboard history shortcut as well. And lastly, you have these options for Command L for keep line breaks, adaptive clipboard for Command H, and you have text to speech with Command S. And now you know everything about it. Let's talk about the pricing, because there are two ways that you can buy. I'll tell you the both and my personal favorite one, which is cheapest at the same time. So this is the website for the TextSniper. So this is the first option, and if I click on buy now, you have three options. License for 1 Mac is $8. For 3 Macs, it's $10, and for unlimited licenses that is available on the Mac App Store, it's for $12. So these are the three options that you can choose. Or you have the second option and going with Setapp. It is a platform where you have multiple applications including TextSniper. You have Luminar Neo, which is great application for photo and video editing. You have Clean My Mac, you might have heard of. Then you have Clear VPN. There's also VPN subscription into the marketplace. There's Screenshot X. There's a paste application that gives you unlimited clipboard on Mac device just like Windows, and even better experience. So those are some of the applications available on this platform, and the concept here is that you don't have to pay for each and single application that you use. You just have to pay a single subscription, which is quite inexpensive by the way, and you get the access to all the applications. So I think it's better and saves more money. Let's check out the pricing. So this is the pricing. If you have a single Mac, it's just $10 per month. If you have iOS devices as well, then you can go with the second plan, that is 1 Mac device and 4 iOS devices for $12.49 per month. And if you are a power user, multiple Macs and multiple iOS devices, then power user plan is good for $15. Now if you go with the yearly plan, you will have 10% more discount. That brings the cost down to $9 per month. I think it's the best option. And along with that, you also get 7 days of free trial. So you try this platform and all the applications available and see if you like it. The link to try Setapp is in the description below, so make sure to check it out and give it a shot. See if you like it, and if you do, only then continue. But that's been it. Now if you are looking for a way to clean your Mac, then this will help. And if you want infinite clipboard history on Mac device, then this app is definitely helpful. Now what are your thoughts about the TextSniper? Let me know in the comments below. But like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.